Hey everybody, and welcome. Today we are here in Sevierville, Tennessee at Skyland Ranch. Now, we've ridden pretty much every mountain coaster in this area, probably within like a 30-40 mile radius, but there's one that we have not tried yet. We're getting ready to ride that today, all of us for the first time, and Henry is now finally tall enough to not only ride some bigger roller coasters at Dollywood, but also some mountain coasters. So, boys, which mountain coaster are we taking everybody to today?
The Wild Stallion.
For Wild Stallion.
And the admission cost for the Wild Stallion coaster is $18.99. It's the newest and longest mountain coaster in the southeast.
Goodbye, guys.
Thank you.
I'm excited, Daddy.
Yeah, me too.
Yay! I'm excited to go to the top. I love topping. Like, I love the tops. Because the tops is good. Whoa! We're going at the top. It's not going to get fun.
All right, Henry, what do you think? Are you ready?
Yes.
What's your favorite part of this mountain coaster so far?
Like the parts on a mountain coaster. Yeah. This is fun.
It is fun, and we haven't even gone down the hills yet.
No! I got lots of hills. I love hills because I love when I go on the tops. Like the top side is flat, but it's gonna drop down. And then it's a long way to go up.
Already starting to see some good views of the mountains there. Look to the left.
It's a chair.
It is a chairlift.
Yeah, it is. What, Daddy?
It's kind of like Anakista, isn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of like it's a long way to go up here, and we're going to walk.
All right, hold on. Here we go.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Is this not going to drop down?
Look at the views of the mountains.
Yes.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Yeehaw!
Yeah. It's a very Are you okay, Daddy?
Yeah, are you? This is great, isn't it? All right. Oh, it's slowing us down.
Daddy, I'm excited. It's crazy.
You ready for some more hills
Yeah.
and turns?
It's gonna go fast, and like it turns, and then it's kind of hard to get up. Like it's kind of hard to do it. But should these kids get like this, then they're not told to ride this. Maybe I'm told to do it. Maybe I can ride it. I'm not scared of this. I just love this.
I'm glad you love it.
So do you love this too?
I do. I love mountain coasters. I'm glad you love them as well.
Yeah, but sometimes we go up the hills. And on the wristband, if you see the unicorns, then the horsey is going to find you. But we're going to just find the horsey. But it's just so fast. But sometimes I love hills. Sometimes so fast. But this like this one. I like the other one, but I like this. I want this white one and the orange one, and I don't like the green one because the green one doesn't help me.
All right, here we go, buddy.
Yay!
Wow, look at that view. Yeehaw! Oh, here comes a big hill. No, not as big as I thought it was gonna be. Whoa! All right. Whoa!
You ready to go now?
Ah, it's slowing us down.
Yeah, that was a crazy one. It was good.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was that.
You had a great time. You haven't stopped talking about it, have you?
Yeah, I keep doing that.
What'd you guys think?
That was beautiful.
That was
Yeah.
super fun.
The views were great. It's an awesome ride, wasn't it?
That was
Really
just
smooth too.
Just an absolutely really fun ride here in Sevierville, Tennessee. The newest and longest mountain coaster in the southeast. Hey guys, we thank you so much for joining us here in Sevierville, Tennessee at Skyland Ranch as we took you guys along riding the Wild Stallion today. And we sure to look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.